Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the wash plate in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a couple of hooks, 7/16 head, socket wrench, and a long extension. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new wash plate and a bolt. The wash plate is located inside the washer at the bottom of the tub. During the wash cycle, it agitates back and forth, washing the clothing inside the basket. The main reason to replace the wash plate is if the splines inside of it get stripped off and the wash plate is not rotating properly. To get to the part, we need to open the lid. Next, I'm going to reach into the washer and using this flathead screwdriver, I'm going to pry out the cap, wash plate cap. For the next step, I'm going to use the socket wrench, 7/16 head with a long extension. I'm going to take out this central bolt that holds the wash plate. Knock it hard, and if you are lucky, it's gonna move right away. If not, then you will have to knock it several times until it's gonna start moving. I'm going to use these two hooks to remove the wash plate. I'm going to use one of the hooks and insert it into this opening right here. I mean, you can use any other ones, not necessarily this one particular. And the one on the opposite side. And I'm going to lift up on the wash plate. Well, we got lucky. Ours just came off easily. If yours will fight with you, then use a heat gun and hit the center portion, and then use a mallet, rubber mallet or plastic mallet, and hit it side to side, and then try again to pull it off. If it's not gonna get off again, then continue using the same technique. Eventually you will win. This is the old wash plate next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is our wash plate that we're going to install. And if you turn it over, you will see the splines here that pressed into the wash plate. So we're going to lock these splines over the splines on the shaft down there. I'm going to drop down the wash plate and we placing it on the shaft. I'm gonna put it onto the splines. Next, I'm going to secure it with this 7/16 bolt. I'm going to start manually and continue with the socket wrench. Next, I'm going to install the cap. Place it in the center, align it, and then press it in. And now, when we're done, let's close the lid. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.